Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, member of Rajya Sabha, national spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party, who also holds a PhD in mechanical engineering, spoke with me on the dreams and achievements of his party. The complete interview will be available on ITV YouTube channel soon, but for now, watch the excerpts.
After our government came, there was a paradigm shift in the approach of the foreign affairs. Prior to that, all the governments were focusing mainly on two aspects, that is the diplomatic, that is economy and strategic aspect. Defense related issues and economy related issues, these were the part of the diplomacy. So diplomatic, economic and strategic aspect, just three were there. But after Modi ji came, he has added two dimensions. One, the Indian diaspora, another is the cultural diplomacy. Once the Indian diaspora is having such a vast presence of 30 million Indian diaspora all over the world, which is biggest, I think, in the entire world. So why it should not be used? Particularly in US, the Indian diaspora is quite well off, most educated, most prominent community, and they are having a feeling also, enthusiasm also to do something for their native country. Then why they should not be incorporated in our scheme of things? So Modi ji has used this issue of Indian diaspora. That's why you have seen मोदी जी देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री हैं जो जहां भी जाते हैं वहां भारतवंशियों के साथ भी उनका एक संवाद होता है, और जिसका आप याद करिए सबसे पहले उन्होंने शुरुआत यही अमेरिका से की थी जब 2014 में मेडिसन स्क्वायर गार्डन में इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम हुआ था। तो हम लोग भी उसी पॉलिसी को फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ आते हैं, इंडियन डायस्पोरा के लोगों से मिलते हैं और उनके साथ संवाद होता है। उनके कुछ प्रश्न होते हैं हमसे, वो हम लोग उनकी बात का उत्तर देते हैं, फिर उनसे जो फीडबैक होता है और वो जो देश के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं या यहाँ के लिए भी क्या कर रहे हैं, भारत और अमेरिका के अच्छे रिलेशंस के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, उन बातों की जानकारी के लिए। देखिए, देयर इज ए ग्रॉस मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट आरएसएस, particularly in the Western world. With due humility, I would like to say they want to see RSS through the prism of so-called national media in the Indian setup. Why are you using the word so-called Indian national media? Because the English media is considered to be the national media. अब दुनिया बहुत बदल चुकी है। अब आप जाके देखिए तो वर्नाकुलर मीडिया का स्पेस अलग है, सोशल मीडिया अलग है। I request and urge them that get out of the myopic view of the established conventional English media. अब वो क्या नहीं समझ पाता है? What is RSS? I would like to explain in just 2-3 sentences. Number one, if I ask you, which is the biggest organization in the entire world which is having maximum number of schools running? It is Vidya Bharati, which is an RSS output, is having 30,000 schools. Wow. No organization, not only in India, in the entire world, which is having 30,000 schools running. Second, in the tribal areas, the biggest organization working, that is Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram. This is an RSS Sangh Parivar organization. Other than Christian missionaries, they are working with the other motive, and they are Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram with the Seva motive. The biggest organization which is working among the scheduled caste and the Dalit Bastis, it is Seva Bharati, an RSS organization. Wonderful. The biggest organization of students working in the India's college and universities is Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad, popularly known as ABVP. That is the RSS affiliated organization. If I ask you, which is the biggest organization in the religious field, because India, the religion is having a very strong, prominent presence. That is Dharmik Sangathan सबसे बड़ा विश्व हिंदू परिषद, that is RSS affiliated organization. अब ये देखिए कि among the trade unions, the combined strength of the leftist trade union is bigger, but if you ask the single trade union which is having the maximum membership is Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, that is an RSS organization. And finally, I would like to say the biggest political party, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, not only the biggest party of India, but right now the biggest party of the world in terms of members, is considered to be originated and motivated and inspired by the ideology of RSS. So you can understand that what RSS has done in the last 75 years in the various walks of life in the country. And as far as those who are trying to portate just towards the BJP, I would like to say RSS के करीब 3200, 3200 to 3500 full-time RSS pracharaks are working in various organizations.
Oh,
Out of that, you know how many are working in BJP? Only 40.
that's it.
So that you can think that there is a vast scope what RSS is doing. And the political aspect is a very small amount at that. And that is just that if you want to change the society, if you want to create a confidence in the society, the political establishment is also a part of that.